Hello guys and welcome back to yet another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode packed with a lot of police encounters and road rage moments, so make sure to sit tight for this one because you'll definitely enjoy it. Without any further ado, let's get this one underway. It would appear that the driver on the camera's left side doesn't know how to read the signs. He clearly broke the speed limit here, but a cop was in the waiting. This rude Karen tried to purposely force her way in front of the camera. There was absolutely no reason for her to do that because the traffic was already dense and she couldn't go anywhere even if she managed to pull up in front of him. And because of her careless attitude, this happened.
Everything, a precious beer tent, jig, put up a system of just washing knots.
For one reason or another, this crazy bikehead taunted the driver into racing, but the driver ignored him completely and the biker went mad. This is what happened next.
Put your flash up your signal, your flashing on.
Let's see if he's alright. You're alright,
okay?
man? Yeah, I'm good.
Never drink and drive. Those are the two worst combinations for a driver. Not only do you endanger your own life, but you put others at risk as well.
Instead of paying attention at the road, this crazy driver was looking down on his phone, texting and driving, and of course, he caused an accident because of that. We've seen a lot of shocking maneuvers in traffic, but this one right here, passing a driver on the inside, is totally mind-boggling. But the karma cop paid him a visit. Always ease up on your gas pedal, especially if the traffic is congested like in this situation here. However, this rude driver didn't care about anyone at all, but a karma cop saw it all and he started chasing him. In this video, we have a totally crazy driver who took the exit in the last possible second. We will never advise you to do something like this, because you endanger yourselves and others around you. It's always difficult to notice an undercover cop, especially during the night time. However, this crazy driver decided to risk it, and he broke the speed limit by a mile. Of course, he paid the price for it. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He was really impatient and he couldn't do the speed limit, so he decided to overtake the vehicle in front of him. But unfortunately for him, he didn't realize that the vehicle in front of him was an undercover cop. Everyone makes mistakes in traffic. Here and there, you see a red light runner, people not paying attention at their side mirrors, not using indicators and whatnot. But if there's one thing we will never advise you to do, that would be running away from the cops, like this guy here. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing and epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. And hopefully you guys managed to enjoy and learn something out of all these mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will mean the world to us. Also, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content, because why not? Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.